Hi everyone, this is Vimal for the Bitcoin briefing. I'm going to look at Bitcoin today. It's BTCUSD. Now, first of all, before you look at the price action, notice that I've drawn a purple dash trend line on the RSI here. Every time the RSI goes to this trend line, there seems to be some sort of reversal that occurs. So that was one here, another one over here, here, and then the last two times you've just tested this level and then you see a small decline that's occurring. So it's likely that if we don't get above this blue, or I should say purple trend line that I've drawn here, Bitcoin can see a nice break to the upside. Bitcoin will actually, sorry, not be able to break to the upside. So we need to really see that level broken on the RSI to give us some sort of momentum indication. I repeat, momentum. But what's more important than that is price. So this is a secondary derivative, and I've just shown you that to give you, some sort of indication on the momentum side of it. More importantly, the price is getting to a level where you're reaching an apex of a triangle, meaning every single move higher or lower is narrower than the previous rally. And at the same time, I believe that once we hit this end, I would say end of the road here, or this the narrowest part of this apex, you're going to see a breakout or a breakdown, and it's going to be big. So prepare yourself for that. Most people don't like, most traders don't like getting involved in situations like this because it can go either way, and the move can be quite violent because volatility has completely sobered out, if I can use that metaphor. There's absolutely no volatility. And when you get into situations like this, the breakout and the breakdown could either be very violent and the volatility associating it could be huge. Now, if there is a breakout, you need a break above 6815 to really get people interested. And you need to hold that level. So you can't have a situation like this. So if you do break out, you have to hold that level, which is around 6,000, let's say 6815 to 6,800 approximately. To the downside, any close below 6,040 or 6,000 for that matter is detrimental. So keep those things in mind. Let's not complicate anything. You're approaching a very important time. I would say maybe a week or two. It could happen before that by all means, but at this moment, I would say a week or two. And the trend is clearly down. The long term, the midterm, the midterm trend is also clearly down. So I don't recommend going and front running this. It could be dangerous. Now, if you get to a low here and you expect another move higher, so you could still trade that. That's around 6,168. If you do get up down to that level, you could still trade that back up, but it's risky. It's quite risky, and keep a stop loss at 6,040 and trade it. You get to the level of 6,700, fine, keep a stop loss at 6,800, 6,815 and trade it to the downside. Swing trades are possible, but make sure that you protect yourself with stop losses. Thank you.